Now we will solve the third problem. In this problem, we have integral with limits, lower limit 3, upper limit 7, and the expression itself is 1 by x cube. That is what we are given. This is one of the most important problems in FE Civil Mathematics sections. You literally have a very similar format problem in the February 2024 examination. So pay full attention and grasp the concept, guys. So this is basically little bit harder than the previous two problems, but it's very much similar. I'm just trying to make sure you understood the concept. So the given in this problem is lower limit 3, upper limit 7, and the equation is 1 by x cube. So once you understand and just jolt down what is given, that is how we always start. So given y is equal to integral of 3 to 7 1 by x cube dx. Okay, that is equal to question mark. We don't know what it is. That's what we want to find. That is what is required. This can be written as y is equal to integral x power m dx format. Of course, don't forget the limits. Lower limit a and upper limit b. You won't find that in your reference manual equation, but for your understanding, I'm making sure I'm putting that. So go to your reference manual, go to the search engine and just put integrals. And once you click a couple of times, it should get you to page number 35, which has all the list of integration and differentiation formulas. Formula number 5 on the integral part will give you integral x power m dx is equal to x power m plus 1 by m plus 1. I would highly recommend you to write down the formula, important formulas that you are substituting, so that way it registers in your head, and when you go to the exam it becomes really easy to crack down any kind of problems, make your own formulas, make your own logics, all these kinds of things. So this is already established. In this problem it is 1 by x cube, which can be rewritten as x power minus 3. They both mean all the same. So m is equal to x power minus 3, guys. See here, I already wrote this. M is equal to m is equal to minus 3. Once you substitute this m is equal to minus 3 in the equation here, this is how it looks like. Y is equal to x power minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1. Of course, don't ever forget your limits, lower limit 3 and upper limit 7. This will give x power minus 2 by minus 2, lower limit 3 and upper limit 7, which will give us minus 1 by 2x square with lower limit 3 and upper limit 7. Once you can simply take the coefficient, the constant outside, and then simply write it as minus 1 by 2 into 1 by x square with 3 to 7. Now you can solve it. The 7 goes inside and then the 3. So it can be solved as minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 7 square minus 1 by 3 square. 7 square is 49, 3 square is 9, as you can see here. So once you solve that, you will get minus 1 by 2 into minus 40 by 9 into 49. You can simply put this in your calculator as well. The calculator will give you answer in terms of 20 by 441, which if you solve, you will get 0.04535. So that is the answer you will get. So let's go check our options. First option is 0.5, not our answer. Second option is 0.4535. So option B is the right answer, guys. Now you know. There you go. You solved a hard level of integration problem with limits. And the same problem can be also solved easily with your calculator. But sometimes your calculator don't have processing power to solve problems like this. And I'm not even joking. So make sure you always understand how to use your manual method in order to make sure that you won't end up in problem in your exam, because this is an easy problem. This you should be able to score. To make sure you score problems like this, always practice solving problems with manual method, because very easily the question can be something else and you might not be able to solve it with your calculator. It can be lengthy, it can have too many limits, blah blah, and you might not be able to solve it in your exam. So just practice doing that. So for those of you who would like to learn how to solve this problem using calculator, my favorite calculator is TI-36X Pro. So that is allowed in your FE examinations. There is other Texas Instrument calculators that are allowed as well. So just go to your reference manual to check what kind of calculators are allowed, what kind of calculator you would like to use. Go and experiment with all these kinds of stuff, so you know exactly what kind of calculator you would want to use in your examination. So if you want to solve the same problem with your calculator, just go to your calculator, click the second button, the blue button, and click on num solve. Okay, which is the second column, fourth row. That is num solve. Click num solve and you will be able to see two squares, dotted squares like this with LHS and empty RHS. On the LHS side, put in the equation, which is integral 7 to 3 1 by x cube dx. And on the right hand side, just put a variable y. It's very important, otherwise it won't solve it for you. So if you're wondering what you have to press to do what I just mentioned to you, here is the steps for you. Okay, so I won't walk you through all the steps because at this point in your college, most likely you already know how to use your calculator, but I have written these steps for you just for your reference. So you already have them. So, and then once you put everything on the LHS and RHS side, this is how your equation will look on the calculator. You click enter and solve, and it will give you the same answer as you see here, 0.4535. That is the same answer you will get once you solve it with your calculator. Okay guys, so this is how you solve an integration with limits problem in your FE examination. I hope you really enjoyed this problem, and FE exam is not very hard, but it does take some dedication to solve your problems. So make sure you stay tuned to my channel, because in this channel I am giving you all the real FE exam problems. This FE exam problem actually came in the February 2024. I changed like some variables and coefficients here and there to make sure that you understand the concept, and just for copyright sake. But the concept is 100% genuine. If you are able to solve these important concepts, you will be able to crack down your FE examination. So if you have any questions, feel free to post it in the comments down below, and I will make sure I get back to you as early as possible. So I can't wait to teach you more real life FE exam problems, because I try to go with the real problems because that is what gets you ready for the main exam. So make sure you stay tuned to my channel, subscribe, and show me your encouragement. And I can't wait to teach you more FE civil problems. So see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.